In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from your Mexc account to your Phantom wallet on PC. So let's dive in. Just go ahead and open Phantom wallet by clicking on your extensions. So this will pop up on your screen. Once you're in, copy your wallet address by clicking on this deposit button. So in here, just go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. Copy your receiving address. Head over to your Mexc account. Once you're logged in, go to your assets section and find Solana in your wallet. Now click on the withdrawal screen. Paste your wallet address in the recipient address field. Double check to make sure it's correct, and this step is super important. After that, enter the amount of Solana that you want to send. Be aware of network fee, with which is usually very low on Solana. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Mexc will ask you for a security verification code to complete that step. After confirming, your transaction will be processed in just a few moments. Your Solana should appear in your final wallet. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it might take a minute or two depending on the network. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.